In primetime news this evening, tropical storm Melissa to begin affecting the country in coming hours.
State scrambles to make last-minute preparation of some major drains.
And lawmakers clash in Gordon House over breach of rules. Good evening and welcome to primetime news, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Kalisha Williams with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Thank you, Kalisha. Well, some good news for motorists this evening. Fuel prices are going down tomorrow. By how much? I'll give you the details later on in the business day.
Thank you, Lug. And Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in primetime sports.
Thanks, Archie. And speaking about what's going down, well, Bangladesh, they could be going down to the West Indies as the Caribbean side hunts a series win tomorrow in their one-day international series. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Thanks, Jermaine and Archie. We've been hearing a lot about tropical storm Melissa. Romaine is here with what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Kalisha. Now, the major change that we have been noticing is the track of the system. Currently had it moving more further towards the north. There is a significant change that is expected over the next few hours towards the west and moving south of Jamaica. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
There is also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, how do you feel about Jamaica's level of preparedness ahead of tropical storm Melissa?
Should get some interesting answers this evening. You can share your comments online. Facebook.com/TelevisionJamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.